will strain my positive all later.
Death for drug convicts. The House of Representatives approves on third and final reading the contentious death penalty measure, House Bill number 4727. An overwhelming number of congressmen gives their approval to the bill.
With affirmative vote of 216, negative vote of 54, and abstention 1. House Bill number 4727 is approved on third reading.
The measure allows judges to punish perpetrators of 7 drug-related crimes with either life imprisonment or death. The bill also allows the execution to be done either through hanging, firing squad, or lethal injection. The bill's passage at the House is expected because President Rodrigo Duterte counts at least 267 congressmen as his allies.
Hopefully, now that the House of Representatives have spoken at alam mo yung ito boses ng tao ito eh. Siyempre, I feel elated. I feel that my colleagues supported us. You know, it was a difficult ordeal that we went through. Pero yung mga pinagdaanan naman namin are clearly dilatory.
But not all administration-allied lawmakers voted in favor of the bill, including those who are currently holding House leadership titles. Among them are the representatives from the Makabayan Bloc, Civil Service and Professional Regulation Committee Chairperson Vilma Santos Recto, and Deputy Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. It was under her presidency that the Philippines abolished the death penalty in 2006. But for the death penalty opposers, the fight is not yet over.
Well, we will continue our advocacy before the people, before the public, and we will relate with the Senate, and hopefully we will be able to help in the rejection of that bill in the Senate. And if unfortunately the bill becomes a law, then we will immediately challenge the constitutionality of the death penalty law, the reimposition and revival of the death penalty before the highest court.
With House Bill 4727's approval on third and final reading, the measure will now be transmitted to the Senate, where it will go through another 3 readings. The death penalty bill may have breezed through the House of Representatives, but the same cannot be said for the Senate. Senators opposing the bill are more vocal than their House counterparts. Will senators be open to executing drug convicts, or will they oppose this priority bill of the President? Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Quezon City.